So I remember going to my mentor asked me to come to the national convention in Las Vegas in 2004. I was 25 at the time. I told him, I said, I can't afford to go. And he looked at me like with this very like stern, like he looked at me like, you got to be kidding me. And I was like, what do you mean? He said, Will, you're 25 years old and you don't have $400 to come to an event that's going to put you in front of people, like-minded individuals. You're going to learn strategy to change your life. Will, you're 25, 24, 25 years old and you don't have $500? He said, don't ever admit that. And more importantly, don't ever tell yourself that you don't have it because you can't afford not to have $500. He said, what if you have a $500 emergency? What if you have an opportunity to invest in something that you can own, which if you could buy your dream house or dream car for $500? So you don't ever tell yourself you can't afford something. Again, I had to reprogram myself. Whenever I'm around family members and I hear them say things like, oh, that's too expensive, I correct them. And I say, no, it's not expensive because I see you got a $2,000 plasma TV on the wall. How is it expensive and you getting a big screen for Christmas every year? I see you got the Mercedes out in the driveway. How is something expensive? No, you don't deem it valuable enough. You don't deem your financial goals valuable enough. Because here's the thing that I've learned about life. A person is not willing to change until something hurts bad enough. Sometimes people won't change their diet until the doctor tells them you have diabetes and you may possibly risk your life if you don't change your diet or the way you eat or start working out. Sometimes people will not change their financial circumstances until they are facing financial ruin, till they're about to get put out by their wife, their husband about to leave them, their mama done kicked them out. Like all of these things, sometimes you have to go through in order for you to endure enough pain for you to want to change. My thing is why does it have to get to that point? Because now when you get to that point, you're operating out of desperation. When you don't have to go through that. And as a grown ass adult, y'all on this internet talking about 50-50, y'all won't even go 50-50 with your goals. Let alone a spouse. Come on, y'all. We have to do better with our financial infrastructure. We have to do better with confronting the things that have plagued us. And I get it. It's the financial traumas.